Oh, that's called the gums. That's the part that is underneath your tooth. You see on me? See, it's kind of pink. You have it too. See? Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's your gum. It's a beautiful white, clean smile, white teeth. Beautiful. You did it. Gotta scrub them with the brush, get it all clean.
Yeah.
There you go. Scrub, 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 scrub. You're scrubbing them so good. Are your teeth white too like that? Yeah. Oh, a little bit in the corner. There you go, you got it.
Let's go.
Can you say all done?
Yeah.
M for mommy. Yes, scrub, scrub, scrub. Good job, my love.
What else?
Where's two?